Okay, here's my audience. Okay, felony is such an act that can take away the person's right to vote in almost every state. Felons are considered to be the outcasts and the outlaws of society, making their opinion in the hood of no importance. In the state of Nevada, there are rules and regulations to having your right to vote restored. The first one is there is an automatic restoration of right, and it is granted for those who are honorably discharged from their probation and they have served their time, or if they have a judicial sealing of their records or a grant of pardon, they can get their right to vote automatically restored. However, there are exemption categories of felons who do not get their rights automatically restored. Rather, they need to file a petition through the court to have their rights restored. The exemption. Automatic restoration is not given to those who are dishonorably discharged from probation or have not served their parole or sentence time. Offense is not tolerated if a felon is convicted of a violence that caused harm to someone. Then that felon does not get their right to vote automatically restored. If a felon is a habitual convict, or he is the cause of providing grounds that cause harm to another person, or if he provided grounds that lead to a felony being committed, such felon is also deprived of this privilege. Such a felon has to appeal in the court to have their right restored. The eligibility of casting a vote. Every citizen of the United States have the right to freely vote unless he or she is a felon. When we're talking about an ex-felon, it is important to note that they have served their time. The time spent in a jail or a prison cell is a harsh punishment, and most people have learned their lessons. Although a person is an ex-felon or he or she is in prison, they are not withheld from their nationality. They are still a citizen of the United States. In this case, they are a citizen of Nevada. Giving felons right to vote is very important, and I believe that casting a vote should be organized inside the prison premises to allow those people to cast their votes. It is a common understanding in democracy that each word counts. In conclusion, every ex-felon should have the right to vote because their vote is important in the democratic system. And not providing felons with the right to vote, it is actually one of the reasons that calls for felons. And